Welcome to qnawire.
Round your answer to 2 decimal places if required. Use 3.14 for pi. So to find the area of this is a 12 by 5. So 12 times 5 is 60. And then this is 5. So then this is 2.5. So then I'm going to use 3.14 times 2.5 squared. And 2.5 squared is 6.25. Then I'm going to multiply that by 3.14, and that's 19.625. We'll say 19.63 because we're rounding to 2 decimal places. So 60 plus 19.63 is 79.63 inches squared. Okay. So let's see. The next one is this shape. So we have a parallelogram, and then we have a trapezoid. Okay. So for the trapezoid, if here to here is 7 feet, then from here to here is 13 feet, and the height is 11 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 7 times 11, that's to find the area of the parallelogram, plus we're going to use the formula for area of a trapezoid, which is 8 plus 13 divided by 2 times 11. So 7 times 11 is 77, plus 8 plus 13 is 21. Then dividing that by 2 is 10.5. Then multiplying by 11 is 115.5. Plus 77 is 192.5 feet squared. Okay. For the next shape, so this looks like a diamond. Okay, but let me erase this part that I did. If I split it in half right here, it's a triangle and a trapezoid. Okay, so for number 3, my triangle, I'm going to do base times height divided by 2, and then plus the formula for trapezoid, a plus b, divided by 2 times the height. So for my triangle, it's 19 by 7 divided by 2, plus, then I'm going to do 10 plus 19 divided by 2 times the height of 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, so 19 times 7 divided by 2 is 66.5, plus 10 plus 19 is 29, divided by 2 is 14.5, and then times 6 is 87. Then 87 plus 66.5 is 153.5. So the area is 153.5 yards squared. Okay. For the next one, I have a square. I'm going to use side squared in a rectangle, length times width. Oh no, actually it's 2 squares. So side squared plus side squared. So 16 squared plus 8 squared. So 16 squared is 256, plus 8 squared is 64. So 320 inches squared is the answer for that one. Okay. Now for the last 2. Putting this, I have a rectangle and I have or actually I have a square, so side squared, plus a parallelogram, so length times width. So the square is 9 squared plus 14 minus 9 is 5. So 5 times 9. So 9 squared is 81 plus 9 times 5 is 45. So 81 plus 45 is 126 feet squared is the answer for number 5. And then number 6, I'm going to use base times height divided by 2 because we have a triangle. Then we have a half of a circle, so pi times the radius squared divided by 2. So base times height, I'm going to do 4 times 6 divided by 2 plus 3.14 times 3 squared, because that's the radius. If the diameter is 6, then the radius is 3, because the radius is half the diameter. So 6 times 4 divided by 2 is 12, plus 3 squared is 9, so 9 times 3.14 is 28.26, then divide by 2 is 14.13, and that equals 26.13 yards squared. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.